overcome the NIMI constraints. You know, we're going to have to find some structure of federal preemption so that we can overcome the barriers. That's my comment, that's not your comment. I don't want you to get in trouble for my saying that. Let me ask you, I mean, last year...
Thank you for that.
Last year, the world installed 2 million robots. Half of them were in China, which is really astounding when you think about it. Tell me how robots fit in with AI.
You know, let me just give you one example of why it's around the corner. You know, these days you could describe in text, and you give it to a video AI, and it generates a video. You guys know this, right? It actually, from words, you can generate a video, okay? And let's say the video is Jensen reaches over, picks up a cup. So I take a picture of this screenshot, give it to the AI. That's the starting condition. And I say, now cause Jensen to reach over and pick up the cup. The AI creates pixel by pixel, token by token, my arm picking up the cup. And that everybody knows is possible today. You guys have seen it. Well, the AI can't tell the difference between it manipulating pixels versus it's manipulating a bunch of motors. So the idea that I can tell the robot, pick up the cup, is clearly just around the corner. We just have to take that AI, which currently sits in the cloud, and we have to put it into, otherwise called embody it into a physical mechanical system, which is called robotics. So the AI is around the corner. We can see early evidence that the technology must be possible. Now, China is going to be very, very good at this for several reasons. They have great demand. They have a natural indigenous demand for more workers. Manufacturing is a core part of what they do. We, by the way, because we're now reindustrializing, reshoring, manufacturing, we now again also have significant demand for factory automation. And there's no question we have a shortage of labor. We have, right? We all know that our industries would be larger, more profitable, more vibrant if we just had more workers. And so they have the same challenge. They have worker shortage coming up, very severe worker shortage coming up. So they have a national strategic imperative to make sure that robotics happens, number one. Number two, they have the AI technology. And number three, this is where they have a big advantage. They're really very good at electronics and mechanical intersections, otherwise known as mechatronics. This entire area they have the harmony of demand and supply side capability. Now, many other countries, Japan has surely the demand side. They have the mechatronics, but Japan needs to have much better AI technology. Germany, great demand, extraordinary mechatronics. They need to have great AI technology. United States, if we reindustrialize our nation, we will have great demand. We have great software technology, but we really, at the moment, need to improve our mechanical electronics capability.
Yeah, I mean, you know, using AI to find a better, you know, vegan recipe for foie gras, you know, maybe something my wife will look up, but we need to make this
That would be a miracle indeed, sir.
It would be good. But we need to turn this into productive machinery. That's and right. The way in which it's going to change the landscape. Let me ask you, because we're running out of time.